Good morning, students. Welcome to Vidya Setu, the YouTube channel of our school. Today, on this platform, we are going to start a new chapter in science, which is chapter 11, Transportation in Animals and Plants. So, firstly, we will study the transportation in animals, then we will study the transportation in plants. Now today we are going to study these topics: circulatory system of humans, which include blood, and we will also study the functions of blood. Dear students, we know that all living organisms need food, water and oxygen for their survival. They need to transport these materials to various parts of their body. For example, human beings, they take oxygen from their nose. The oxygen goes into the lungs. But then the oxygen has to be transported to each and every cell of our body because every cell need oxygen. Now the various systems of human body like circulatory system, excretory system, etc., they help in the process of transportation. Transportation means uh, to transport one material from one place to another. Okay, to move any substance from one place to another, that is known as the transportation. Now the circulatory system, it comprises of three important components: blood, blood vessels and heart. तो जो हमारा सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम होता है वो तीन चीजों से मिलके बनता है, हमारे ब्लड से, ब्लड वेसल से एंड हार्ट. Now blood is a fluid which flows in blood vessel. तो ब्लड एक लिक्विड होता है जो कि हमारी ब्लड वेसल्स में फ्लो करता है. ब्लड वेसल्स क्या होती हैं? जो हमारी नसें होती हैं, जिसको हम हिंदी में नसें बोलते हैं. तो हमारी ब्लड वेसल्स में कौन फ्लो करता है? हमारा ब्लड. Now blood is red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Okay, blood is made up of two parts. One part is plasma and other part is blood cells. ठीक है बच्चों? तो plasma, it is a liquid portion of blood and it mainly contains water, some salts, sugar, minerals, etc. And the second part is blood cells. So blood cells are the cells which are suspended in the plasma of blood. So blood cells वो cells होंगे जो कि जो प्लाज्मा होता है ब्लड का उसमें फ्लोट करती रहती हैं. So they are known as the blood cells. Now suppose if you have a bowl which is full of water. Okay, so water is considered as the plasma, and when you put some dry fruits like almonds, raisins, okay, cashews in the bowl of water, so that floating dry fruits are just similar to the blood cells. Okay, so now you people know what is plasma. Plasma is the liquid portion of blood. It is just similar to water in the bowl, and blood cells are the cells which keep floating in the blood plasma. They are just similar to that of the dry fruits which are floating in water. Okay, now blood cells are of three types: red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. So red blood cells, RBC, the full form of RBC is red blood cells. Now as their name suggests, they are red in color. Why they are red in color? Due to the presence of hemoglobin. Now this hemoglobin, it binds, okay, it binds oxygen and transport it to different parts of body. ये जो हीमोग्लोबिन होता है रेड ब्लड सेल में, ये ऑक्सीजन के साथ बाइंड करता है, मतलब ऑक्सीजन के साथ जुड़ जाता है. ठीक है, और फिर उस ऑक्सीजन को डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी में ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है. Now students, you can see the pictures of different kinds of blood cells here. These are RBCs, these are white blood cells, and these are platelets. Now white blood cells, they are called the soldiers of our body. Okay, why they are called the soldiers? Because they fight against the germs that may enter our body. They fight with the germs and they kill the germs and prevent us from various diseases. So that's why white blood cells are called the soldiers of the body. Now platelets, they help in the clotting of blood. Clotting of blood means, you must have seen, whenever you have injury, the blood start coming out of the injured body part, but after some time the blood stops coming out. Why the blood stops coming out of the injured body part? Because there is a formation of clot over the blood which is coming out. Okay, so आपने देखा होगा जब भी आपको कोई कट लग जाता है, ब्लड आपकी बॉडी से बाहर आता है, कुछ टाइम के बाद वो ब्लड बाहर आना रुक जाता है। वहां पे क्या हो जाता है बेटा, वहां पे एक क्लॉट बन जाता है। और वो जो क्लॉटिंग का जो प्रोसेस है, विच ब्लड सेल help in the process of clotting? Blood platelets. Okay, and when the clot is formed, no more blood comes out of the body, and thus excess blood loss is prevented during an injury. Okay, so these are the various cells which are present in the blood. So blood consists of two parts: plasma, which is the liquid part, and blood cells, which are cells which are suspended in the blood plasma. Now we will study the various function of blood. What role does blood perform in our body? So blood, it transport the digested food. Blood also transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also carries hormones from one place to another. It protects our body against diseases, and it also prevents blood loss during injury by forming clot. And blood also helps to maintain the temperature of our body. Okay students, so these are the various functions which are performed by the blood in our body. So I hope today whatever we have studied, you all must have understood the topic well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with some new topic.